Hey everybody! Today we're going to be making roasted potatoes in the Ninja Foodi Grill. This is another 101 video. I'm going to show you what size I'm making the potatoes, what I'm putting with it, and the times and temps of how long it takes to make these potatoes. Like I said in the Facebook group and also some comments on YouTube, once you get your times down, then you can start making complete meals in your Ninja Foodi Grill, or Ninja Foodi for that matter. So come on over and let's get these delicious roasted potatoes started. To start off today, we're going to go ahead and turn the Ninja Foodi Grill on. We're going to select roast. We're going to keep it on 375 and preheat. So while the Ninja Foodi Grill is coming up to temp, it's preheating. I just want to show you what we're working with today. We're working with some Yukon Golds. We have an onion. We have a little bit of rosemary. We have a little bit of thyme, pepper, and salt. You also need a bowl of water that I have right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to chop these potatoes up. You want a sharp knife. You can put them in any size pieces that you want, but I'm shooting for something like this. You're just going to take these potatoes and place them right into the water. Now these have been cleaned and already washed and cleaned. Alright, let's give them a shake in the water. Great. I'm going to go ahead and chop this onion up. Now we don't want anything too small. Probably just like a nice dice on these. Just something like that. Or you can actually cut them this way as well. That'll probably look funny in there, but I'm going to show you two different options that you can use for the roasted potatoes. Just like that. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take these potatoes over to the sink and drain the water. Next, I'm just adding the potatoes to a shallower dish so you can just see. Take those onions, put them right on top of the potatoes. If the onions are sticking together a bit, you just want to break them up. You can add as little or as much onion as you want. I tend to be a little bit heavier with the onion. All right, next what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of the avocado oil. You can use your oil of choice. Just going to add a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and add some rosemary. Now rosemary is powerful, so I'm only going to add like 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. Thyme is also powerful. So 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. Gonna add some, oh that smells good. Wow, just got a whiff of the thyme. Black pepper, probably like 1/2 teaspoon. Salt, we're probably gonna go for a whole teaspoon. But we're gonna do it in increments. I'm gonna toss this and see where we're at. Add a little bit more oil. By using this sprayer, you actually don't add that much oil. You really, really don't. Whoops, lost one. And that is looking good just like that. Let's go over to the Ninja Foodi Grill. So we're going to raise the lid. Going to take that whole mixture and just pour it right into the air fry basket. Well, air crisp basket. Just going to take my hands and separate these out just a little. Go ahead and lower the lid. So the time automatically defaulted to 15 minutes. What I'm going to do is raise it to 20 and we're going to let it cook. And once again, the temp is 375. And we'll be back probably in 5 minutes to look at them and also toss those potatoes. So 5 minutes has gone by. I just want to show you what these look like. They're starting to, the onions are starting to brown up nice. Just going to toss them around just a little bit and shut the lid. Let's open the lid. I let these go a little bit longer than what I usually do. All right, they are cooking up nicely. Now, if you wanted to add more oil at this point, you could. Like if you found like this wasn't getting like brown enough or something, you could probably do that. I have never done that, and I've never had an issue with these potatoes. So we're just going to go ahead. We have 7 minutes left. I'm just going to go ahead and close the lid. I am going to take one out just for taste test purposes. So we have about 47 seconds left. I just want to show you what they look like. They are browning up beautifully. I do want to taste test one. The last one I took out, it was not done. I'm just going to close the lid. I'm going to up the time just to 5 minutes just so it keeps going. Let's do a quick taste test on this one. Yes, it's like napalm. Hot, hot, hot. Ah, too hot, too hot. Wow hot. Wow hot, but they're done. So, we know that these potatoes take 20 minutes. So I'm going to plate these up and we'll do that taste test. But I just did a taste test, but I'm going to do a taste test for you. We're going to take them out. And I'm just going to pour them right into this serving dish. And yeah, we lost a few, but that's okay. Look at the color on these potatoes. Let me get all those onions out. Let me put this right back in there. Ah, don't want to forget those onions. Gorgeous. Yes, I'm picking it up with my fingers. And don't forget these onion bits. Onion adds so much good flavor to these potatoes. I do want to go over, these were cooked at 375 degrees Fahrenheit using the roast setting for 20 minutes. Let's give you a close-up. Don't they look good? Let's do a taste test. I want some of that onion in there too. So good, so good. Delicious. Add that onion, it gives it a nice flavor. This is super good. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, hit that notifications button. Don't forget to join the Facebook group. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all you. All right? Thank you so much.